have our drone camp, and this was open to middle school and high school students in Lawton Public Schools, all for free. Students get to come, have a great time, learn about aviation, drone, FAA, all of the safety and things. They get to learn, but then yet they still get to have a lot of fun. So we're not just letting them come and play with drones. They are learning about safety, they're learning about working in teams.
Here at Drone Camp, we are learning how to fly the drones, fix them, we're learning about gravity and some basic coding.
Some of them had no idea, never worked, never played with a drone, never used one. And then we have some of the kids who came in who were like, can I bring my own drone in? And I was like, of course, come show us what you have.
I had like some drones back in my house, but I never really knew how to fly them. And so I just think that's really cool that I'm learning how to do all this stuff and to fix them too. So I think that could be a cool career choice in the future.
They also built a drone. So in this camp, we got drone kits. The kids had to learn to build them. And that was really intensive. Little bitty screws, little pieces, learning all the different parts, how to follow procedures and steps. Do you see the on-off switch? Right here. This is the on-off switch, okay? We know we can turn it off and on.
I think a real fun part of it was making the drones that we did yesterday. I just got through it so fast, but because I kind of knew what I was doing, but it was still really fun.
The reason we're having this camp, number one, is kids love drones. We want to keep kids busy over the summer so they don't have that big gap and that slide back that we always worry about, that they forget learning. So because this is a learning opportunity hidden behind having fun.
Sometimes I feel like Lawton doesn't have a lot of stuff, and so this is just like really fun and special. You just make so many new friends and you just have just a great time.
Problem-solving skills and joy of learning. Those are the two things I hope that they take away from this camp. And of course, that I'm the best teacher ever.